Hello and welcome in Max DIY. This is my Ultra Clean series, and today we are dealing with the black stain that I got on my countertop. Well, I realized that I have it on my countertop during the window cleaning episode that I recorded probably last week when you're watching this video. Anyway, so I did my best to remove the stain from the countertop. I did use some products containing chlorine and soap, more or less, but most importantly I did use my drill with the brush attachments and rubbing pads attachments, as you can see in this very video right now, where I'm foaming off the leftovers of the toilet duck mixed with soap. So I did really my best to remove that black stain from the fungi, but unfortunately so far I failed. There was not really much of a difference in the looks of the countertop. I am 100% sure that I did remove it from the top of the stone, but the fungi penetrated the stone deeply, and it seems that chlorine-based stuff will not really help. So I have an idea how to deal with the discoloration later on, but I will need probably a whole weekend to do it, and we'll see whether it will work or not. For the time being, this is the state of the countertop, and believe me, I did try to rub it off, and I did clean it with the pads, the rubbing pads that I have for my drill, and then even I tried to switch for the brush attachments, but they did not do much of a difference anyway. I did use loads of bleach on the stain, but unfortunately it remained. So at that very stage of the cleaning process, I decided that it is time to give up, at least for a week or two, or maybe more, and clean the whole countertop all over the place in the kitchen. And this is because I need to get a bit of access to the window from the inside. I live in Ireland, so if you're not aware, our windows are quite challenging to clean because you can't open them to the inside. Luckily, this one is on the ground floor, so I can access it from the outside, no problem. But from the inside, I just need to get rid of everything from the counter in the kitchen, so I can get clean access to the window. And as you can see, I simply had a problem with this stain on the countertop. So I cleaned it and cleaned it and cleaned it, and then I simply gave up and I started cleaning the whole counter just to have good access to the window. And I finally did it, and then I realized that maybe I should do a bit of cleaning on the top of the dishwasher that was not cleaned for probably ages. Because I do remember cleaning it maybe last year, maybe 2 years ago. I'm not really sure about that, but after cleaning the whole counter, upside down, inside out, I decided to clean the top of the dishwasher as well, so it's nice and clean, even though I cannot really see it on the daily basis. But this is what I did. Of course, I used one of my brush attachments, the brush one, not the rubbing pad, because rubbing pad would be too hot and it would cause loads of scratches on the top of the dishwasher. So this is what I did. I did dry everything properly, so it is nice and shiny and there is no leftovers. I did use a couple of pads and couple of clothes to do it, but finally I did succeed. And after all, I decided to clean the place behind the dishwasher, because I think that at least a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, that was the last time we cleaned that very area. So it was dusty, and I did use my brush and my cordless vacuum cleaner that I got in Lidl a long time ago, but it is still fully operational. So the floor behind the dishwasher was quite dirty, full of hair and dust and everything that have accumulated over last 6 months behind the dishwasher. So I decided to sweep it out with a regular brush, and then I finished off my deed with the mobile vacuum cleaner that I got in Lidl a couple of years ago. So that was not that was actually quite a satisfying job, because you get satisfaction straight away when you have a very dirty area and you just get it cleaned instantly, because you see massive difference. So I got the dishwasher back into the place, and I just made sure that the piping system is in the right place, in the right spot as well, so I won't have any leaks. And I would strongly advise you, and myself especially, to give it a quick sweep every, let's say, 6 months. I think that's necessary to keep everything more or less in order. So next week maybe I will do the same to the dishwashing machine. Not dishwashing machine, but the washing machine that you can see right in the very center of the video right now, because it hasn't been cleaned for ages as well. So that's the plan. And just a brush and mobile vacuum cleaner, handheld vacuum cleaner. That is quite old, but it's still operational. To my surprise, I bought it for like 20 or maybe 30 quid, and it is still operational. And I think that the current model is much more expensive than the one that I used to, that I bought a couple of years ago. I think 3 years ago. And on my other channel, there's a review, so you can watch it if you really feel like watching the review. Anyway, so I was back to working on the counter. That is quite clean right now. So I decided to return all of the stuff that I took from the sink and the counter back, because it's now ready for me to... Oh, did I clean the window? No, I didn't clean the window from the inside yet. Or did I? I don't really remember, because I'm recording that commentary to the video later on. But anyways, I got the countertop sorted. I got my dishwasher sorted, with the washing machine left for the next weekend. And I am quite happy with the hard manual labor that I have performed so far. But now it's gonna be time to deal with the fruit basket that we had on our window for last number of years. And I just had a quick look at it, and I decided that it is quite dirty and it needs loads of cleaning. So so I did clean it. It took me probably like good 10 minutes or maybe 20 minutes to clean it. I didn't include everything in the video, but it was a big deal, and it took me lots of time and lots of my emotions as well. And I washed the apples in the same time, and one orange that we had in the kitchen. Anyway, so as soon as I got sorted with getting the countertop done, I decided to finish off with the window. But you'll watch it in the next episode. So for the time being, see you next time, and happy ultra cleaning. Bye!